Changing the Xbox account linked to your Epic Games account can feel like trying to hotwire a spaceship if you're not familiar with the process. But don't worry, I'll walk you through every step you need. First, the caveat. Epic Games doesn't allow multiple Xbox accounts to be simultaneously linked, so if you've made progress on one Xbox account, switching to another means losing access to anything tied to the first account. That's a pain point. To begin, log into your Epic Games account through a web browser. Yes, this part can't be done on your Xbox directly. Head to Epic's official site. Pro tip, use a desktop or laptop for a smoother experience. Once you're logged in, click your profile in the top right corner of the homepage. A drop-down menu appears. Select Account and then head to the Connections tab. This is where all the magic happens, or total chaos if you're not careful. From the Connections page, go to the Accounts section. You'll see all the platforms you can link or unlink. Look for Xbox. If it's already linked, you'll see a Disconnect button. Go ahead and click that. Epic Games will warn you. You'll get alerts about losing access to associated saved data. This decision is final unless you relink that same account, so double-check you're ready to let go of your Fortnite inventory or Rocket League progress. Once disconnected, you'll need to log out of your Epic account entirely. Yes, this step is oddly necessary. Log back in with the same Epic Games account to reset the linking settings. The interface can be finicky otherwise. Now go back to the same Connections tab under Accounts. This time, click Connect next to Xbox. It will prompt you to sign in using your secondary Xbox account. Input the credentials here carefully. If everything checks out, Epic Games will ask for permission to link. Approve it and you'll be good to go. A confirmation message should appear if the process worked successfully. Screenshot this if you want proof for peace of mind. Still confused? The biggest stumbling block is forgetting to disconnect the first account before trying to link another. The system simply refuses to cooperate without that step. Don't skip it. It's like skipping sunscreen. It's going to hurt later. Remember, this process is about commitment. You're essentially marrying your Xbox account to your Epic Games account. Make sure it's the one you really want. Swapping isn't easy, and you'll lose progress if you're indecisive. And lastly, here's a quick tip. If you empty your inventory or transfer items to friends beforehand, the sting of losing content hurts just a little bit less. A teammate holding your skins for you can be a lifesaver.